Designed for beginners, this tee has a flexible post designed to absorb the momentum of the swing to prevent the tee from falling over. Adjustable height. Minimal resistance ball holder adjustment from 23 to 33. Easy twist and lock height. Made for big hits. Sturdy X design with weighted legs for added stability, including a flex joint made for high-impact hits. Bright easy-to-see colors. Now offered in bright colors, the baseballs are vibrant enough for kids to easily see the balls coming their way, promoting hand-eye coordination at a young age. Official MLB licensee. Make your little ones feel like they're a true baseball champion by hooking them up with officially licensed Major League Baseball product. Top reviews from the United States. Great toy. I bought this for my 3-year-old. It works great and is very sturdy. He hits the pole quite often and it still does not fall over. My child has also ran over this thing over about 10 times with his Power Wheels truck and it still has not broken. It was very easy to assemble, only took about 3 minutes. All in all, this was a great buy at a great price. Would recommend and would buy again.